we're going to make a hot pot today. Right now we're making some soup. Beef soup. We're making beef soup hot pot. The weather is so cold. It's raining a lot right now. So I'm going to make hot pot today. We're gonna eat some hot food right now. Okay. You guys want to eat some hot pot today, guys? Oh, I'm gonna make a very good hot pot, the best hot pot ever. It's very easy to make a hot pot, guys. Try to make it at home. If you guys like a lot of veggie and meat, you guys can make hot pot at home. It's very easy. In the water and put some beef bone. We call beef soup, beef bone soup. Put in the water and boil it for 2 or 3 hours, and your soup is done. It's very easy. See that? Just put the soup and put the bone in, the beef bone, and boiling it for 3 hours maximum. The soup pretty much done. And we're gonna put some, okay, it's a sugar, 1 spoon sugar, it's a salt, 1 salt, 2 salt, and 1 spoon of chicken flavor. Okay, I think that's good. The chicken broth is done. No, the beef broth is done. Sorry, it's not chicken broth. It's a beef broth. It's done right now. It's easy to make a best broth at home. It's very easy. We're going to clean the shrimps, because you see on the back of the shrimps right here, they contain all the inner stuff. It's kind of like the bad stuff inside. The dirty, so we need to open like that, and we here pull out the one line, the black line right here. This is the one line right here. That's the inner thing. So we need to clean that. We need to take that out. We don't eat that one. That one's a dirty one. It's very dirty. Okay, don't eat it. But the bottom one, this line, that's a good one. That line you don't have to take it out. This one is good. Okay. Just take out the one from the bag. You have to take it out. Okay. Also, see that every stream they have it. See that one. You need to take that out. See that one? Yeah. You have to take that out. See the other one? See this? See that? Yep. If you want to eat the clean food, you have to do that. See that? Yeah, so right now we have cleaned all the shrimps. So that, look at the inside. The inside is clean. See that? All of them are clean right now. So make sure you guys, when you guys do the shrimps, you have to clean out the bad stuff from the back. Yep. Look like that. All done. Yeah. So right now we're going to clean shrimp. Oh no, we're going to clean the squid. Just pull out the head like that. And you see this stuff, we don't eat that. We don't eat this. Just pull it off like that. Throws away. The head is okay. We can eat the head, but the inside from the body, we don't eat it. And the inside, sometimes they have eggs. The white stuff, it is the egg. So keep it. Don't throw it away. The egg. See something like this one? Yeah. The inside is egg. So we're going to keep that. The egg is so good. It's very tasty. Okay. Yeah. So pull off the head. You guys need to pull off the head like that and cut it up like that. We don't eat this one. It's a dirty one. We don't eat it. Okay. Okay. See this one? The one I just pulled out right here. It is the egg. Okay. This white color, it is eggs. So we keep that. Don't throw it away. Okay. That one is the egg. Okay. Yeah. Don't throw it away. See that? It's very tasty. It's so good. It is the best part ever. That one very good. Okay. Keep it. Okay. Let's see the other one. Okay. So hold on right here, right below the head. You see this? Hold on like that. Easy. It's easy. And pull on both sides. Make it tension. Okay. Pull on both sides. See that? All the best stuff is coming out. See this? Oh, this is the egg. So this part is the egg. Okay. Cut it out. It is the egg. Keep this part. Okay. See that one? That down all the bad stuff. Okay. Pull it up like that. Cut it up like that. See this? Goes away. You keep the head. If you guys don't eat it, just throw it away. But that one you can eat the head. Okay. There you go. So we will eat meatball with soup. The beef meatball is very good. It's the big one is so good. I suggest don't buy the small one, guys. You have to buy the big one. The big one is more tasty. The small one, I don't like the small one, so you guys should buy the big one. Fry it in small piece. For soup, it's good. My cutting board keep moving because just cut one in 4 pieces. That should be good for your soup. You see the meatball? See the meatball? That one is that one's called the beef meatball tender. You see the tender around the meatball? Yeah, this one's called tender beef tender beef ball. See that? When you cut it, you see the tenders around the meatballs. Yeah, this one is tender meatballs. Yeah, that one's very good. Don't buy the small one, okay? Buy the big one. The big one is good. Okay, all done. See, all the meatball is all done. If you want to eat fish balls, you can buy this kind of brand, the Dodo fish balls. That one is very good. This is my favorite one for the hot pot soup. If you eat the hot pot soup, you need to have beef balls, the meatballs, and also the fish balls. That one is good. You can have the shrimp ball also, but I don't like shrimp balls, so I like the fish and the meatballs, the big one, and this one, the doodoo, the doodoo fish ball. You can find it at any Asian store. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, guys. Yeah, very good. See that? That's good. Don't slice too thick. Too thick is not good for hot pot. It's not easy to buy. So, so if you want your meat, it's easy. When you do the hot pot, just slide it that side. Okay. The thickness not should be thick. Okay. If you want to slice it really thick, you have to do it with the barbecue grill. So when you do the hot pot, just slide it that side. See, that looks good. It looks good though for the hot pot. Okay, this side is good when you do the hot pot. That's very good piece. The thickness, you see the thickness? Don't slice too thick, okay? That thickness is good. See that? You have to slide from this way, okay? Don't try to slide from this way. Hey, what's up guys? Are you very hungry? My hot pot almost done. I'm ready to eat. I'm almost done my hot pots. You guys want to eat some hot pot right now? Guys, I have a very good hot pot today, man. I just make it. I have all my ingredients, all my foods done ready for the hot pots. Okay, let's see what we have for hot pot tonight. I think I'm have everything ready for the hot pot. I just waiting for the beef broth ready, so I can eat the hot pot. So I have the veggie, I have watercress, I have tongue oil, I have ong choy. For the meat, I have fish balls, meatballs. Meatballs you have to get the big one, okay? Don't buy the little small one. The big one is better. I have squid, I have shrimp, I have sliced beef, and sliced beef I like to put the 1 egg on top, and then you guys mix it together. You make your beef tasty. Yeah, try to put 1 egg or 2 eggs. It's up to you. That one is very good. So this is a cheap meal that I have spent less than $50 for the whole hot pot. I think you guys can make it at home. It's very easy meal and it's very cheap meal. Okay, guys, you guys hungry right now? We will see my hot pot going on tonight. Okay, hungry? Let's go for it, man. Make it one, man. You see, guys, I have everything ready for the hot pot right now. I think you guys are hungry also, but I'm sorry, but I have to get my hot pot right now. So if you guys are hungry, just get your own hot pot at home. It's very easy, guys. Just follow my video and you can see how easy it is to make a hot pot at home, and very cheap meal at home. It's less than $50 for the whole family, man. It's easy. It's also tasty. Right now, since the COVID has been breaking out, we have to make everything at home and enjoy at home. Guys, be safe, stay safe together. Yeah, support my channel. Please click like and subscribe. You will get all my notifications.